Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's episode. Today is Tuesday and marks another trading day of the week. Also, it marks the beginning of a remarkable month. As those of you who have been with me for long, you know it is my birth month, and also it is the birth month of Hunta Forex Academy. So basically, I'll be 3 years since I started the Forex industry, and I will say it has been the best decision of my life for joining or for starting the Forex trading. All right. So a lot of things are going to happen this month. Just watch out. And before we go to the chart, let's check fundamentals. So what do we have today? Yeah, today we have Canadian bank holiday, and we have Fed Chair Powell speaks today at 1:30, and at 2 p.m. we have ISM manufacturing PMI. We're expecting positive news. JOLTS job openings, we're expecting negative news. ISM manufacturing prices, we're expecting positive news. So these are the fundamentals we have today. Now let's go back to the chart. Since it is the beginning of a new month, let's go and see what the monthly is saying. Now, if you look at monthly, I was actually expecting to see a bearish candle for June, right? But you see, yesterday, just one day did the magic, and gold still closed bullish. So once gold has closed bullish, it means that we still have possibility for gold to push up, even though we can all see that 3 consecutive months we have seen strong rejections. All right. But it's not news, because if you look here, you can see that similar thing happened, and the market still broke it and flew. Yeah, so it's not news at all. All right. Okay, so let's go to weekly. Now on weekly chart, this is it. You can see, oh, why this is now going up? Okay. You can see the weekly chart. This was the resistance which broke to become support and still broke to the downside. And now the market is pushing to the resistance again. Is it going to respect, or is it going to break? Since it has not been respecting, we cannot really rely on that. All right. Yeah, if it had been respecting the market, then we could rely on it. But since it couldn't, or since it's not really respecting the market, we can't really rely. So let's go to daily time frame. Now, if you look at daily, this is what is happening. You can see recently the market is heading towards a resistance. All right. Market is heading towards a resistance zone. And is it really going to respect the resistance, or is going to break? You can even bring it down like this. Yeah. So almost touching the resistance. Is it going to respect, or is it going to break? And what happens if it respects? What happens when it breaks? So due to yesterday's candle tweezer, All right, yesterday's candle closed tweezer. There is a possibility for gold to touch like 33, 33. Okay. Yeah, 33, 33 zone. There is the resistance. So this whole area is a resistance. All right. This whole area is a resistance, but I don't draw resistance on daily. So we just use the line. Now let's go to H4. What is happening in H4? So of course you can see that H4 we have this thing in H4. Yeah. And now the market is pushing to the zone. So we will have to observe from 33.27 to 33.40. Okay. But of course, there can be a reaction at 33.32. Okay. Yeah. So from here to there, you can see some kind of rejection for the market to go down to this area. I have to use this one instead. Yeah. So if I want to buy gold, I will have to wait for a pullback. Okay. A pullback before I can buy. And if I want to look for a pullback, I have two major areas to be looking at. All right. The first one is where I have drawn the line. The second one is here, the breakout. All right. The breakout. And this is a nice area of interest for a buy. Yeah. So now let me go to H1. When you come to H1, market is funny in H1. Let me delete these ones. That's finished serving its purpose. Yeah. So guys, in H1, so H1 we have this breakout level. So if I would do anything, I would like to wait for this area here. But of course, we have the first one. Okay. We have the first one. And here too. Which one will the market respect? That is question we need to find out. So of course, we will have to wait. Okay. So there is a possibility for gold to continue on pushing to 33 and then drop to this area or even come down below. Then we can take another buy all the way here or there. And here is also another buy sell zone. Okay. That is a sell zone as well. So we will have to wait. If we see the sell, we will take. If we see the buy, we will take as well. All right. All we need is patience and watch. And since today is a beginning of a new month, the market might fuck a lot of people. Do not be part of them. All right. Yeah. So for now, you just have to watch. You just have to watch and not take crazy risk to lose money here and there. Okay. So guys, the market is not really stable at the moment. Okay. As you can see, I have too many zones. I don't like it that way. So I would like to wait, and see what exactly is going to happen. Once the road is clear for us, we will go in and pick a trade. This is Pip Hunter here, and the Pip must pay. Make sure to manage your risk very well because you have no idea of which trade hitting your TP and which trade hitting your stop loss. It is only risk management which can keep you active in the game for the long run. And until then, I will see you in the next video, and have a nice day.